everyone, my name is Suzanna. Welcome to Suzanna's How-To. Today we're going to make invisible ink. We need a cardboard roller to put under it so the iron won't hot the paper on. And then we need the paper, lemon juice, and a paintbrush, and we need hair dryer, and then the iron. Now I'll teach you how to make it. We first take the paintbrush and dip it in the lemonade. And then draw what you want. I'll draw a house. And a tree. And some windows. And another window. And then we need to let it dry, so we use the hair dryer to dry. And then we're going to use the iron. If you're a kid, please let adults help you with the iron. And then we use the iron to fasten. And now we're done. And this is what we made. A house. Thank you for watching Suzanna's How-To. Hope you like it. Please hit a thumbs up.